Sama. www.samaengineering.com.
Worried about your perfume production? Introducing Perfume Filling and Capping Machine keeps your production fast and clean. Air washing system cleaned bottles thoroughly to remove dust and impurities, ensuring the purest environment for your fragrances. Then each bottle is filled with exact doses of perfume. No spills, no waste, just perfect consistency. The capping system tightly seals each bottle, protecting your fragrances from leaks or evaporation and maintaining quality over time. Ideal for perfume, cosmetic, and private label manufacturers. Crimping heads apply a professional finish, giving each bottle a secure and elegant look. You can easily adjust settings for different bottle sizes, shapes, and cap styles. Made from stainless steel body, easy to clean, safe for production, and fast enough to keep up with market demand, all while maintaining premium quality. Don't leave your brand's reputation to chance. Let's help you fill and seal every bottle with perfection. Contact us today and take your perfume business to the next level.